Welcome to BRANDART, the podcast where we dive deep into the transformative power of branding and how it shapes the business and the consumer experience. Today we have an inspiring story of transformation. Anakena wine, a Chilean brand that reimagined itself, reconnect with its roots while embracing a modern identity. To explore this fascinating journey, I am joined by our expert panel and our marketing strategist, Mariana, Luisa, and the international manager, Melissa. Together, we'll uncover what led to this change, the impact of the new strategy, and the lessons we can learn from the Anakena's reinvention. So, Mariana, let's start with you. So, what was the primary reason behind the Anakena's rebranding?
How the brand used to be, actually, the brand used to look very exclusive and visual appealing. But they wanted to unlock a distinct identity, that resonate with today's consumers. So they wanted to go beyond just being one label, and they aimed to create an emotional connection with their audience. Their goal was clear. They knew what they wanted to do. So to resonate with a younger, experience-driven audience, and particularly millennials who seek authenticity and adventure in their choices, with a shifting consumer experiences, particularly among this target audience, which is millennials, seeking more than just a product because they want an experience. They're looking for something else beyond just buying a product. And Anakena saw there an opportunity and the chance to evolve, and they wanted to tell a compelling story, one that honors Chilean community because the brand is a Chilean brand, and at the same time they wanted to embrace a sense of modernity and adventure. So I think that was the main reason why they did this rebranding process.
Exactly, Mariana. In an era where authenticity and storytelling are key differentiators, Anakena released their brand name to reflect not only the essence of Chilean win marking, but also the sense of excellence and boldness. This was both capturing the imagination of consumers who are seeing experience rather than just a bottle of wine.
Melissa, so how does the Anakena's new branding aligns with its values and the target audience?
The new brand identity combines fearlessness and inspiration, capturing the essence of discovery and existence. This resonates strongly with younger customers who are brand to brands and offer more than just products. They want a story, a journey, and experience.
Yes, exactly, as you said, and an important aspect here is authenticity, because basically that's everything. And what they did was incorporate symbols and colors and narratives inspired by indigenous Chilean communities. So Anakena stays true to its origins while making the brand more engaging and distinctive. So it's about blending tradition with contemporary appeal. So that's very important.
Now, let's break down the key elements of the rebrand. Tell me what were those changes and why were so significant for this rebrand.
Okay, so yes, one of the biggest changes was the visual identity. The new design is bold, if you see it, it's more engaged and it's more colorful, but at the same time, it's they use striking colors like red, black, and gold, and all of them have a significant behind that. So to enhance recognition and differentiation, they try to use a color palette that helped them to do that. and also the new logo reflects the spirit of exploration and Chilean culture.
Rebranding is never without challenges. What hurdles might Anakena has faced, and how did they address that?
Yeah, totally, definitely agree with you. So every company has their challenges in every process that they do, so it's impossible that a company doesn't have challenges. So specifically in this case study, one major risk was alienating loyal customers. When you change a brand's identity, there's always a chance that existing fans might feel disconnected with the company, with the brand. But Anakena tackled this by carefully integrating elements of their heritage into the new branding, ensuring, as we've said before, authenticity and, a continuity while still evolving with the brand process. And Anakena communicated their rebrand in stages, so evolving their audience through storytelling and behind the scenes insights. So it was like a whole process behind that, but they was step by step to achieve the rebrand.
Another challenge was market reception, where people and brands they know, love, and fear. Anakena mitigated these dreams by launching a strong marketing campaign that educated consumers about the transformation and balancing the way being the chance.
So, what can we learn from the Anakena rebranding journey about the role of branding in shaping business success?
Branding is not just about aesthetics, it's about storytelling, connection, and differentiation. Anakena success lies its ability to merge heritage with modern customs expectations.
Okay, and another takeaway from this case that we've been talking about the whole podcast is that authenticity is key, right? Like, it's really important to have an authentic brand because consumers today are drawn to brands that feel real, that give them a real experience and that feel connected with their values, but also a good approach. And I think that Anakena's did a really good job here because they incorporate all of that cultural identity in branding, and basically they tried to unite all of that in just one thing, which was the rebranding process, and they keep authentic. So that's really
Anakena's story is an reminder that branding is about more than just a logo. It is about capturing the essence of your brand, your values, your story, and sharing them with the world in a way that resonates. Therefore, creating a brand that remains to its roots while appealing to the new audiences.
So, what an insightful discussion. Anakena's transformation served as a powerful reminder that branding is more than just visual. This is about emotion, culture, and experience. For business looking to rebrand, the key taking is so clear. Authenticity, strategic evolution, and deep consumer connection is so essential. So thank you, Mariana, Lisa, and Melissa for your expert insights. And thank you to our listeners for joining us today. If you love this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Brand Evolution, for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep evolving, and keep telling your story.